Hello guys, you are watching Technology Welfare. Let's rescue in this tutorials Gmail password. If you forgot, if you lost your Gmail password, or in case someone who has hacked your Gmail password, or due to old Gmail RA, you don't remember what's the recovery email, what's the recovery phone number, or what's the password. How do you rescue it without having of this? This idea unfortunately has been recommended by one viewer who has lost his fish slime device today, and of course he has recommended to others copy this idea because now he doesn't have the recovery email and recovery phone so that he can easily reset or rescue. See, this idea has been especially locked with especially this particular right now device also, but we don't have a device. Due to that, especially we are unable to, we don't have a phone number, and maybe especially recovery emails and this has been changed, or maybe anything. Don't have much more information, guys. So due to that, especially it's here, see, recovery phone number is asking, so we don't have. So now here what we will do, guys, and not much more option is giving to others of this area is saying so that you did not provide enough information for the Google to be sure that this account is real errors. Google is asking why this can be the possible when answer as many questions as you can and use a device where you have the sign in before, and the third is that any alternative email or family links, if it is managed, then of course we have the send emails to your parents to change the password. We create all options because this is not possible from my side here. So what's the best alternative option? We will see live here. Don't click on it here, otherwise multiple times this page will be yes, this page will come again and again, guys. So don't click on it here now. Try again. Just we will go with especially exceptional and alternative way. So what's that? We will come in the Play Store. In the Play Store, just to be have a one browser that is especially, you can write here UP browser. UP browser, if you write, then you will have option here just a little bit via browser. Just we will click on here and we will go for install it. So its classly is a 223 MB, so it has started to install. Just we will go for no, we don't want to especially, so it has started to install. Now see, it has been installed. So on the other hand, what we will do, guys, here simply we will come in especially yes Google, and there we will have to especially hold the browser. We will come in app info 2, of course we will have to make a notification of. So take any smartphone, either is a new one or a smart especially old one smartphones. You can apply these strategy on any smartphones, guys, but only with the smartphones, so don't you can apply especially on an Apple device. So notification we will have to make off. This change is very crucial importance to other rescue. So just we will go in a location now, the locations to make it the precise location of, and then we will click here don't allow anyway. So no longer the function as intended of this hands especially will be. Now what we will do, guys, here just simply we will have especially open by default. So just we will have to back one more time after permissions. Here just we will come and open by defaults, and here is especially supported link and etc. That should be a disable. You will have enable, so make it disable, guys. That's why you are unable to, or sometimes. So these changes is very crucial. So now we have another browser. Another browser is a Chrome. Fine. So just we will hold it, and similarly we will. So check it out how many especially browser you are especially using on every browser except that you have installed. You will have to especially apply a similar strategy. So notification we have already blocked. So in a permission here, it's not a permitting now. See, guys, here, so that's okay. Fine. Here is not the permitting. So we can cut it from here directly, and the phone, of course, we will go for especially in a Play Store. In the from Play Store you will have to open it, and when we open it now, just we will go for especially continue, and if you go for in a continue, then what will happen, guys, here see, yes, here is a especially just we will have to write nothing much more Google, just we will write here and we will fix this one. So Google page will be open here, just at the corner directly we will go in a sign in. After sign in, guys, here we will click on here and we will have to write here your particular Gmail ID, so that you would like to rescue of files. Just we will go for next, and when we tap on next, what's going to happen here, guys? See, it's going to shine in and it's hiding. So just don't worry, guys, just we will go for forgot password. When we taps now, this phone number. This phone is just registered with this RE maybe especially. So just we will go for try another way. Now just we will go for especially try another way. Last password is just change that. Fines. Here we will go for especially text or call. If you have a number, last one 2 digit, if you remember, then you can rescue by that easily after having the OTP, because this is verified ID guys, and this is not easy task to do the rescue of it, but don't worry, I will make it easy. Yeah, this phone number we don't have, so we will click say special on here. So now more option is having, yes, more tips to the rescue of this account is coming by a different browser. So now what we will do here guys, don't click on anywhere guys. Here is option given that you did not provide fines, answer as many questions as you can, by that you can recover. Second is that use a device where you have signed in before, by that you can rescue of it. And the third is given that if your account is managed with the family links, so they have sent the emails to you, the parents to change your password, via that we can rescue of it. But more option is having that if you are having this more tips to the rescue. Of course we would like to have the more tips to the rescue of this account via Google Assistant. So just we will cut it from here guys and tap on a setting 2. Of course Google will assist to the rescue of these accounts. Really, of course, don't worry guys, just we will come in the Google services and the preferences we would like to have, and just we will click on a especially help option. When we tap on a help options, this page will be open here. We have a limited option, but don't worry, make it possible. Right here, hacked Gmail recovery, just tap on a hacked Gmail recovery guys. Via that only, don't go with the other functions. Here is the option given that secure hacked or compromised Gmail accounts. Of course we would like to secure this account, so just we will tap on it. When we tap on it, then we have option that's review your account activities. Here is that select the yes if you still believe that someone else is using your accounts, and then of course find out if your account has been hacked. Has more option that also you can review which devices use your accounts, but right now I'm not going into detail. Just we will click on this, and when we tap on it, then of course you would be directly on here. Directly we will come on here, and upon these tips to the rescue of it. Of course now here check it out that you shouldn't be a transfer on another page. On here just you will have to cancel that what if still I can't sign in. Yes, the create a replacement, Google is giving option that create a replacement Google accounts. Again is the avoid getting locked out of your Gmail accounts via 2 options only one should we can rescue. But it is given say especially account recovery page, so just we will tap on it. So when we tap, so would be directly transferred to a recovery page. And of course here don't do anything in this area, automatically would be recommended. Just we will go for next and see here, no need to enter anything in this area, automatically would be recovered. Now so without having the password, the recovery email, of course we have the rescue it. Now what we will do further, don't make stupid things by clicking on a continue, otherwise would be trapped in its verify you option. You don't have especially recovery phone numbers or yes devices, so you can verify of it. So right now without verification we will have to go the inside of this. So we will click on a update, and there is option that click on especially create a password, confirm password, go for save it. After saving we will go in a Google account management. After going there we will go in a security center 2. Of course we will add a firstly alternative email. After adding the alternative email, because this was not added as a recovery, was not showing, but phone number was verified. So after adding alternative email, then we can remove this alternative phone number, then we can add a new phone number once again there. So this ID will be a permanently secure guys. Further we cannot show you, I'm extremely sorry guys, because this is data privacy concern of my viewer. So this is all about, he was so worried guys to especially has a special the data privacy. So this is all about guys. Now we will have to deliver. So it's a live screen, the recording I would be uploading on this channel, so it would be in a public domain, so that's why sorry for it. How to like this tutorial? Don't forget leave feedbacks below the comment box. So this is all about. Thank you very much indeed. Have a great time guys. And furthermore in inquiry, and if you are unable to execute these things, then of course you can drop your email in the comments box. I will rescue and deliver to you. Yes, directly. If you don't have any objections to disclose your ID on a public domain on this channel. So thank you very much indeed. Have a great time. Bye bye.